everyone. So thanks for joining this preview between Thiem and Schwartzman. So today we have that quarter final, and I think first of all the first point that we need to consider is the head-to-head record. So we can clearly see that Thiem has a very huge advantage over Schwartzman, and he has won also on his last three encounters, I think. So Thiem would be the clear favorite going into this match. But still, I think Schwartzman is playing well. If you guys saw the match in Rome against Nadal, I think Schwartzman played a very, very good match, and he was absolutely unplayable at that time. But those sort of performances happen, once in a while. And since it's French Open, where team already has had a very good run in the past, he has also given a good fight to Nadal. So I think team is going to be the favorite. Okay, to start off with. Now, when I see Schwartzman play, it reminds me a lot of Leighton Hewitt because he's also a good counterpuncher, and he is a solid player who has a good forehand, a good backhand, and even though he's not as tall as some of the other guys, but he moves well, really well, and he is also good at net, so he has good feel. But the thing is, it's best of five sets, of course, and he has power in his game that is difficult to match when he's playing well. We saw in the last match how team was troubled by the amount of drop shots that were hit in the previous round, and he seemed to be short of breath a lot of times, and he seemed to be tired. So maybe that's a result of the US Open, the long US Open run, and maybe not having that much of rest in between that tournament and this tournament. But I still think team is going to be the favorite, even though the conditions are a bit different. It's cold, it's damp, but still I think more or less team has the power on both the wings, and he has a much better serve than Schwartzman. So I think the kick serve of team and the other serves are really good. So I think Schwartzman today will try to employ a lot the drop shot, so that he has much more chances. Maybe he would have watched the previous match of team. So I still think that it's going to be a close match, relatively close match, because Schwartzman is playing up to his best tennis, and team has not looked perfect in this tournament so far. So it's going to be a close match, but definitely team is going to be the favorite. Now let's talk about what strategy should each guy employ to beat the other. So when you talk about theme, I think he just needs to serve well and be prepared for any sort of drop shots that Schwartzman applies, or the variety that Schwartzman has in his game. For that, team has to be prepared to go to the net often, and if the rallies are long, of course you would prefer that team would have an upper hand because he can increase the pace whenever he wants. But then, if he's tired at all, like we saw in the previous match, then it might come into favor Schwartzman. So it's really important for Thiem to be focused from the start of the match, uh, serve well, try to keep the points a little bit short. He has a huge forehand team, so if he runs around and opens up the court with his off forehand, then it really opens up the court for him, and it really makes the situation quite easy for him to then attack with the next shot and go to the net. Now he doesn't need to make a very good volley; he just needs to go to the net to make sure that Schwartzman has to hit a passing shot, and I think that's pretty much what he needs to do. He needs to play a basic good level of tennis that he has been playing in the past, and he just needs to try to finish the match early, not push it, not allow Schwartzman to take it to 4 or 5 sets, because then team's tiredness, or maybe the long emotional run that comes with the victory that he got in the US Open, that might come to impact his performance. Now talking about as for Schwartzman, I think if he needs to win the match, he needs to be really pressing in his shots. He needs to apply some more power in his ground strokes, and he also needs to have some variety. So if you see the likes of Andy Murray and the other players, so on clay, if you have a lot of variety, if you can use the slice to good effect, then I think, and the drop shots of course, and different sort of serves, because the serve is not that big a weapon on clay, but still if you have a good serve or a variety of serve that like Nadal has or some of the other guys have, it really can help you. So I think Schwartzman needs to focus on the variety and sort of disturb the rhythm of Thiem, because these players like Thiem, Djokovic, and some of the other guys are actually dependent on the rhythm. So if you can break that rhythm and try to keep them guessing on each point, then it can be a little bit disturbing for them, and that's what Schwartzman needs to do. So I think still the prediction would be like team should be the favorite winning into this match, and I think Schwartzman will play well. It would be a good match, a good quality match, but in the end, I would say team should be winning in four sets. That would be my prediction. What do you guys think? Please comment. Thank you.